It's on 40 in my right car.
Hello guys, good morning. Karibu sana. If you're new here, I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka mtoto wa Homa Bay Kante. So, oh my god, Gary, Supito Wende. So, in today's video, I'm just going to give you several outfit ideas on what to wear when you're traveling. Whether you're headed to the train station, airport, or the bus station, I got you. So don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like it, and if you're subscribed, click on that notification bell. That is how you get notifications every time I upload a new video. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Just wanted to let you know that all items here are thrifted stroke mitumba, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.
What would you find when we've been walking this blind? Frustrated, outdated, what's on your mind? So what you're saying is it's not enough. Just write it off like a prescription drug. Just write it off like a prescription drug. You've been fussing how we never touch, but who can bother with this kind of fussing when we've been walking this blind? Frustrated, outdated, what's on your mind? Drove all this time, all on the line. Try trading me places, what would you find when we've been walking this blind? Frustrated, outdated, what's on your mind? So what you're saying is it's not enough. Just write it off like a prescription drug.